In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export a Weebly website theme. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to export. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Theme tab to access your website's design settings. Next, select Edit HTML, CSS to open the theme editor. This is where you can manage your website's theme files and custom code. In the theme editor, look for the Export Theme option. Click it to download a copy of your website's theme to your computer. Keep in mind that exporting a theme only saves your website's design, templates, styles, and custom code. It does not include your pages, blog posts, images, or other website content. That's how to export a Weebly website theme. Thanks for watching.